CRCL stock analysis price predictions for Monday. Is it a buy or not? Well, I'll be breaking all that down in this quick short 1 minute video. With circling to the group stock, I'm sitting at 134 bucks. To begin with, all is going to be used is my strategy that I've refined over 45,000 videos in 5 years that it's taken me. So all on my YouTube channel. CRCL, again, very Gucci, 49 receipts in the Discord. Plus this guy has been just printing it up in the Discord. But regarding CRCL, I'm just trying to keep it as easy as it could be. This is not a bullish market for me unless I see a full candle close of 152 bucks. And in the meantime, whatever happens first, I'm simply just not randomly going to come to conclusions, right? So that's CRCL. If you have any questions, obviously comments are now off limits to you. And if you want to stay tuned to get free money making emails and insights and free sauce, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.